Huji External Affairs Minister Oiriba, Honorable Minister Habitare, Yambung Ranjanna, RK Ranjanna Bhavada, Mana Pongamba, Man Editor Oramba, Regional Integration, Volume number 13, September 1992, the Pongbasida Mahangna, Miap Yektana, Akoi Shom the Yam Chong, I could Manipur Lamse, Mange and Matamana, Hirumba Wapundu, Imani Yemba, Maduda, Magi, Haivasi Fongs the Yawa, Miap to Imayama, Pondo, Tomzage. As border number 64 again 68 Pogani. Although the Mana Matamduda, Yamuna, Masi Mange, Masi Akwigi Lamsi, Mangabani, Akwigi Manipur Lamni, Akwigi Toi Haidana, Toriva, Port to the Mayamda, Pongdana, Kotana, Sandokana, Tormiva, Port to the Kogi Miamda, Uttai was a manner. Popularity Talaga, Kogi MP, Oinaba Yanaba, Miamgi, Kano, Kanaba, Mute Kanaba, Mute Yanaba, Oirabra, I was hanging. Maram de Karigino Hamatamda, Mahana, Hojik External Affairs Minister Oire. Hydrogati border Wapanji, Manipurga, Brahmaga, Tonagadavanati, Indiaga, Myanmar, Tonagadavani, Havadum, Habirakani, Mayam, Akogi, Ayamba, Masibu, Makoibu, support over music, BJP, support over music, Chume, Akoijukan. Koina Haining Ibadi, Karino Hamatamda, Manipur government, Yamna thorough inquiry Mator Matunda, Maduki inquiry report say. India government the period matung the India government na Myanmar government gamatu santai nagadavani I was a kuishu kangi. Yanangai wafumdi 19 if I'm not mistaken 2015 get border wafum fencing wafum the latanda Manipurda akoi Congress langak like name matamda Prazam Yam Hopoti masi Leo Krabane. Leo Kiba Poti Kaitorke da Muk 2017 da Leo Purukanda BJP na akogi palaba matungse masida adagi amuk lakpaneba hujik masigi border fencing je khudakta amuk haunaba tawro hoidana lakpa pot oigi aba